Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your comment and watch history in the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. And here in the profile menu, and in the top right corner, there are three lines. We have to tap on those. Here, we have to go into the settings and privacy menu. Here we scroll down a bit, and in the content and display category, there is comment and watch history. We tap on this, and we can check what we have watched so far on the TikTok app, and what we have commented under, what kinds of videos we commented under. Thereby, if we have a video that interested us, we can track it back. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.